created for an app that helps people who want to be healthy eat.
I've got my time-lapse booth.
So this is called the Voiceatronic bot. It's called Mystical Madness. Well, this is a dance game.
So I've brought in a revision website that anyone...
Boy oh boy, I was told that the kids here would be the best entrepreneurs, designers, hackers, coders, and they are. I mean, these projects are just mind-blowingly brilliant.
There's just so many cool projects, obviously, and I really like looking at everything, and it's really nice to showcase your work.
I love just how you can just spread your imagination and just run wild.
I think it's a really good way to see other people's projects, and I think it has really helped me get a view of how much there is involved in technology.
And it's a lovely community. Like, you never meet someone who's horrible to you, and they're all so enthusiastic. It's amazing.
Give everything you've got. It'll be cool in any way. Don't be afraid at all.